Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I want to demonstrate the not operator in C. I've included the standard header file and created the main function, so let's get started. As with my other programs, I'm going to be using characters from Supernatural, but in this one it's a little bit different. I'm going to be using a Boolean, so we're actually going to need to include another standard header file, which is std bool.h, okay? And that's going to allow us to use Booleans in our code. And to create a Boolean in our code, I'm going to do an underscore and then bool. And let's create a Boolean. So let's say Sam older Dean, and we'll set that equal to false. Okay. And we're going to use the not operator now. We're going to say if not Sam older Dean, then we're going to execute the code. So the not operator is this exclamation point right here. Okay. We're going to print F, that is correct. Dean is older. And we'll do a /n. Otherwise, let's do another conditional, and let's print something like, wait, what? Because obviously Dean is older in the series than Sam, if you've watched the series. I might like the series a little too much. At the end of this main function, we are going to return 0, and that's going to be our program. There is one error. So you notice in VS Code, I'm seeing that there is an error. Can you spot it? That's right. I forgot the semicolon here. Okay, so now you notice this red went away. So I know the program is error-free, at least from a syntax perspective. Doesn't tell you necessarily from a logic perspective, but from a syntax perspective, it's error-free. Okay, let's open up a terminal. And let's compile. So we're going to do gcc not.c, and we're going to output, let's just output a program called not. Let's run our program called not. And it says, that is correct, Dean is older. Now, if I were to close out my terminal here and change this to true, then, well, what's going to happen? This is going to be true, so it's not going to run this code. It's going to run this code. So let's open up the terminal again. And we're going to need to recompile. And now let's run it again. And you see it says, wait, what? Okay. So the key takeaways here are that this is the not operator, this exclamation point. And if you want to include Booleans, include this header here. And this is how you declare a Boolean. I hope you found this video informational and interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.